ascending transverse. Okay? Then, over here, it starts to descend. What do we call this? Descending colon. Once it reaches this bend, it basically ends into the beginning of the rectum. Okay? Also known as straight colon. Rectus. What does rectus mean? Rectus abdominis, what does it mean? Straight. So now you know what we call it what? Rectum. Because it's what?
Straight up and down.
Okay? That's why it's called, now you know why it's called rectum, because it's what? Straight. This is where poop concentrates. So when we empty our bowels, this is what we're infectious. There's a lot of bacteria here. And you don't want to come in contact with fecal matter of ascending colon, transverse colon, ascending colon. Now, I have something called hepatic flexure and splenic flexure in my nose. Do I have that?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you. Why is it called? When it touches this is spleen. That was the last thing I was going to show you, spleen. Looks like a piece of dark meat.
Yeah.
Is the spleen like really soggy, spongy?
Yeah. Okay, so where the large intestine attaches or touches on the spleen becomes splenic flexure, which is basically where the transverse colon meets the descending colon. This curvature right here. And then where in an intact abdomen, see this? Liver is touching the beginning of the transverse colon. That's called hepatic flexure. So the beginning of transverse colon is hepatic flexure. The end of transverse colon is splenic flexure. Transverse colon. And I think that's it. I covered everything.
Oh, well, I did have a question about in the.
Thank you. Falciform ligament. That's why I asked you to make sure I covered everything. Do you see? Am I in the view?
It's just dark.
It's really dark.
Just really can't help it. Oh, that's better. That's good.
Okay. If you pull the liver down and pull on the diaphragm, you're going to see a tiny bridge, which I'm pointing to. This is called the falciform ligament. Falciform ligament attaches the liver to the diaphragm. And I also need to show you the peritoneum. Guys, peritoneum starts with the diaphragm, and see, all of this is okay, am I in the view? I'm going to cut through the peritoneum for you. All of this is peritoneum. You see the kidney is covered by peritoneum? This is a kidney. Anything else?